Namaste friends, welcome to Money Master X YouTube channel. Today discussed Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth inside his lavish lifestyle, income mansion, private jet, super H and super cars. Cristiano Ronaldo with a net worth of $600 million is not only one of the greatest footballer but also a global icon with over 1 million social media followers. His income comes from record breaking career earnings, brand endorsements, and his lavish lifestyle, making his the world's richest athlete. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just a football legend but also a global icon who has built an empire both on and off the field. With over 1 million social media followers, 900 career goals, and a luxurious lifestyle, Ronaldo's success goes far behind the football pitch. Let's dive into his incredible journey, his massive fortune, and the branded he endorses, as well as his family life and achievements. Cristiano Ronaldo recently became the first person to reach 1 billion social media followers. This milestone showcases his immense global influence both as a footballer and a cultural figures with over 600 million followers on Instagram, more than 100 million X, 170 million on Facebook, and 60 million subscribers on YouTube. Ronaldo has become one of the most followed individuals on the planet. Ronaldo charges $32 lakh 34,000, approximately 27 crore per Instagram post reported in August 2023. TOI, his social media success isn't just about numbers, it reflects the connect is share with his fans across the world. Ronaldo's social media dominance Instagram 600 plus million followers, Twitter X 100 plus million followers, Facebook 170 million followers, YouTube 60 million subscribers. Ronaldo shared his excitement after hitting this milestone starting we are made history 1 billion followers. This is more than just a number. It's a testament to our shared passion, drive, and love for the game and beyond. Thank you for believing in me, for your support, and for being part of my life. The best is yet to come, and we will keep publishing, winning, making history. Together, Cristiano Ronaldo net worth, look at his earnings. Estimated to be around $600 million rupees, converted rupees 5,000 crores, according to CelebrityNetWorth.com, making him one of the richest athletes in the world. Known as one of the highest paid footballers, Ronaldo's income comes from both his salary and brand endorsements. On average, he earned $100 to 150 millions annually, with a significant portion coming from his partnership with global brands. Annual earnings $100 to 150 millions, salary from clubs roughly $70 million per year, brand endorsement around $50 millions per year. Major brand endorsement: Ronaldo has lucrative deals with Nike, Clear, shampoo, Herbalife and many other well-known brands. In 2016, he signed a lifetime deal with Nike valued at a whopping $1 billion, solidification his status as one of the world's top athletes. World highest paid athletes. He made around $260 million in the first 12 months, making him the highest paid athlete in the world in 2024 for the fourth time. According to Forbes estimates that Ronaldo earned $200 million from his contract with AI Nasra this season. In addition to his salary, he earned another $60 million of the field from endorsement deals with brands like Nick Binance and Herbalife. Lavish lifestyle, cars, mansions, and more. Ronaldo's wealth has enabled him to live a luxurious lifestyle that few can imagine. He owns multiple properties around the world, including $21.6 million mansion in Portugal, which features indoor and outdoor pools, a state-of-the-art game, and a garage that can house up to 30 supercars. His car collection includes Porsche, Lamborghinis, and Bugattis. In 2023, after moving to Saudi Arabia to join Al Nasser, Ronaldo and his family stayed in luxury hotel in Riyadh, costing him $3 lakh, approximately 2.5 crore per month. He also put his Manchester mansion on the market for $6.6 million as part of his relocation. He also owns a private jet, Gulfstream 650, worth a staggering $65 million, representing the highest of luxury air travel. According to TOI, this jet, known for its sleek design, speed, and long-range capabilities, lets Ronaldo travel across continents effortlessly. Cristiano Ronaldo H. Ronaldo owns a Super H worth about $1.5 million, according to The Sun. It was built at the Azimut Beniti shipyard in Vercelli, Italy, and features 5 luxury cabins and 6 beautifully designed bathrooms. The H also includes a modern kitchen too, relaxation area, a large loft, and a elegant dining room. Cristiano Ronaldo brands is not just about football. His endorsement deals play a significant role in his overall income. Ronaldo lifestyle deal with Nike is one of the most valuable endorsement contract in sports history, believed to include $100 million signs bonus. Major awards: Ballon d'Or 5 times, Golden Boot 4 times, Champions League wins 5 times, Euro Cup 1 time, total career goals 901,